In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a clickable link in a question or description. If you use Google Forms and want respondents to contact you directly, adding a clickable WhatsApp link is a quick win. I'll walk you through placing a link in a description so it's visible and easy to tap, and then show an optional way to include the same link inside a short answer question for extra visibility. We won't change the structure of your form, just make the contact info convenient and clear. First, open your Google form in edit mode. On the right side of the main form area, you'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Click Add Title and Description. It's the fourth icon from the top, and it inserts a clean text block where you can write helpful instructions or contact details without turning it into a question. This is perfect for a general note or call to action. In the description field that appears, type a short message followed by your WhatsApp link. For example, you could write, "Contact us on WhatsApp, https://ua me." Replace the X's with your full WhatsApp number in international format, without spaces or symbols, and keep the https so Google Forms recognizes it as a link. Once added, respondents will be able to click that link to open WhatsApp on their phone, or WhatsApp web or desktop on a computer. This simple description area is often the best place to put contact details because it doesn't interrupt the flow of your questions and is easy to spot. If you'd like to surface the link directly within a question as a reference, you can also add it to a short answer field. Click Add Question, which is the plus icon at the top of that same right side toolbar. In the question text, type something like WhatsApp contact. This keeps the label clean and clear. Then, add the same URL either as a pre-filled answer or in the question's description. Using the description is great for clarity, while a pre-filled answer can help people see and copy the link more quickly. Either way, the link will be right there alongside the question, making it easy to access without scrolling. That's it. By placing your WhatsApp link in a description, and, optionally, in a short answer question, you make it effortless for respondents to reach you. Keep your wording concise, double-check that the URL starts with https://, and use the international number format so everything works smoothly across devices.